Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make gooseberry juice. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have taken one fresh gooseberry. Always pick fresh ones for best taste and results. Chop them into small pieces and discard the seed. Gooseberry is a very healthy ingredient. Gooseberry helps in weight loss as they break down the fat cells and convert them to energy. They are high in fiber and low in calories, controls blood sugar levels, protect your brain and very good for your heart health. Now we are ready with the gooseberry pieces. The next ingredient is ginger. Peel off the skin and chop them into small pieces. Ginger is again a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. Now we are ready with the ginger pieces as well. So let's check out how to make this healthy drink. To a mixer jar, add the chopped gooseberry pieces and chopped ginger pieces. Grind this well. Then to this add 1 cup of water and grind well again. Today I have taken a mug like this, filter and add the gooseberry juice to it. Finally add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Lemon again helps in weight loss. Mix it well. Now a delicious and healthy gooseberry juice is ready. So try it away and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy and immunity boosting drink. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy gooseberry juice once in a week for best results. It helps in your weight loss. So do try this gooseberry juice recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.
Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.